So now we are going to continue the class men's clothing. Okay children, the most commonly worn dress is trousers and shirts. The traditional dress of men varies from state to state. In the northern state, men wear sherwani with chudidar or kurta with a pajama or a dhoti. In southern states, they wear lungis or dhotis and shirts or kurtas. So most commonly they will own the dresses like trousers and shirts. Okay children, so the traditional dress of men's varies from state to state. In the northern state they will wear sherwani with chudidar. Okay children, kurta with pajama, dhoti. Okay, in the southern states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and all, they will wear lungi or dhotis with shirts or kurtas children. Okay, while the lungi in Kerala is called mundu, it is called vesti in Tamil Nadu. So Indian men wear different headgears like caps and turbans. The turban is worn in different styles in different regions. The turbans worn by Sikhs is called dastar. Okay children, so while lungi in Kerala is called mundu, it is called vesti in Tamil Nadu. See children, this is okay. So they wear headgears like caps, turbans. Okay, the turbans worn in different styles in different regions children. So the turbans worn by these Sikhs is called dastar. Okay children, dastar is the Sikhs, they will wear the turban, that is known as dastar. Okay children, though people wearing clothes according to their comfort every day, they love wearing their traditional dresses on the occasion of wedding and festivals. Yes children, people wearing their clothes according to their comfort every day. Okay, so every day they will wear chudidars, they will wear nighties in the home. No, they will wear pant and shirt, they will wear pant and t-shirts like comfort, according to their comfort every day they will wear. But well, they will go to the traditional occasion like festivals or weddings or temples, they will go, means they will do, they will wear their traditional dress on the festivals and all. Okay children, so here some pictures they have given according to their traditionals. Okay children, so this is the traditional dress of Punjabi, this is the Gujarati, this is Haryana. See children, Haryana. Okay, next we can see about Kashmir, Sikkim people, you see, this is Nagaland. See children, how nice they are dressed, no? Okay, Indians like wearing jewels made of gold and silver with precious stones. So Indians wear to like jewelers made up of gold and silver, no children, with precious stone, no. So the Banaras and the Kanjipuram silk sarees, Pashmina shawls and Rajasthani lehengas are liked by people all over the world. So the Banaras and the Kanchipuram silks, you have seen, no children, in your house your mama will and all, they will wear silk sarees, no. So the Pashmina shawls, I will show this Pashmina shawl of Kashmir. Okay children, see children, this is Pashmina shawl, is famous in Kashmir children. Okay, so Rajasthani lehengas, lehengas are liked by the people all over the world. All over the world, this type of those saris, this pashmina shawls and all, they will like children. So that is your end of your lesson. Thank you.